Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add a eSIM to your S26 Ultra or other similar Samsung devices. Alright, so let's get straight into the guide. Alright, so in order to add a eSIM, first of all, make sure that you have your eSIM ready. Either you went into your carrier and got a QR code, or of course you got one email to you. All right, so the first thing you do guys is search for your settings, which is gear icon. So go to settings. Once you're in settings, you should be in the main menu as seen here. So you're gonna go to the top of the screen right here, and of course you're gonna go on connections. Once you're in connections, you're gonna be in this screen here. You're gonna tap on the option that says SIM manager. So go ahead and click it. All right guys, so once I'm obscuring sections of the screen, now of course once you're in here, you're gonna see the options here that says add eSIM. So go ahead and tap on where it says add eSIM. So I'm gonna tap. It's gonna take a while to load, and there you go. You'll be in this menu here. All right guys, so once you're in this menu, you'll see a bunch of options. So it says choose to add your eSIM. Now of course you can do transfer SIM from a Galaxy or Android phone. Now let's say for example this is a brand new phone, you're setting it up, and of course over here you want to transfer a SIM over. Here is in the process. Let's say you have another phone, go ahead and you'll hook it up according to this, and you'll transfer the SIM from that phone over to this phone. All right, so if that option is not available, so you can transfer between phones, you can transfer SIM from iPhone. So if you're coming from an iPhone, this one for Android, and of course the most popular option, which is to scan a QR code. So your carrier will give you a card. You'll use that card. You'll tap here. The camera will open, and then you'll place this before the camera. This is not real. This is just a standard. And of course, once you scan with a QR code, it's gonna actually add the SIM to your phone. Do note that you can add up to 2 eSIMs, or should I say 2 eSIMs can work on one device, or you could have multiple SIMs. So for example, you could have a physical SIM and an eSIM. I'm not sure the limitation as to how many total, but you can actually have a few configurations. All right, so hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.